Almost done. Oh, it's a little dirty. Almost done though. Why am I shit so foggy? Well, yeah. Just gotta put some borders on and paint it. But yeah, that's about it. Ah, there we go. There's just something on my lens. But yeah, it's almost done. Just gonna put these borders up right here. Paint these white, and then I'm gonna cover these little things green and put like these different colors maybe. And then brown right here. Yep, it's about to come out quick. So yeah, wish me luck. So basically, something like that. I just cut this one piece right here. Nailed it in. Perfect and flush. Yeah. And this side, and then down here. That's what will go on this side. Perfect. Huh. And bam, there's those borders. Done, done, done. Bam, bam, bam. Thank you, ma'am. Almost done. After we're gonna paint it, it's gonna look so legit. You're gonna be able to sit right there and eat breakfast and or whatnot, you know? It's gonna be sick. Yeah, got the border right there. That's all done right here. Corner pieces. Sit down, so I'm getting ready to paint all this white. It's gonna look so nice when it's done. Woohoo! That didn't take too long either. Okay, so now I'm gonna sand down everything super fucking smooth with this fucking guy right here. Just gonna let him just do what he does. Go! Come on, work! Come on! There you go! Come on, work, bro! Come on! There you go! Come on! So, a little trick that'll save me some sanding time. Since this part right here is like, it's like thick, and it'll take me forever to sand. It's my little trick that I do. Just get a knife, like this. I kind of just... And now we'll smooth it out. See, now I can sand that out quick, but at least this is thick. It'll take me forever to sand that out. I ain't trying to do all that. See, now I can start sanding all that stuff off. lot of sanding. But look at that. That shit looks clean. Super fucking smooth too. Oh yeah, that feels nice. It's so soft. I love it. Paint all on my hand. Oh yeah, that feels really nice. Damn. It's about 4 hours of sanding right here. Jesus Christ. Now all I gotta do is paint the rest of it and lacquer it. Lacquer this part and then paint the rest. That way it'll look nice. That's how you like your project. Nice little round table's gonna be right here. It's gonna look legit. Well, man, I'm tired. It's been a long fucking day. It's been a long goddamn day. I kinda like this though. Shit, I might just grow my hair like this. Imagine me looking like this, damn. That looks so fucking sick. I hope I have enough in this little ass can. That's why I'm gonna do this side and this side only. But damn. Ooh, that's gonna look so fucking clean. Ooh, I can't wait. I just want to do the corners just to see how it would come out. That shit is fucking amazing. Watch when it dries though. It'll look a little better. You won't see as much of those lines. Okay, so I think I do have enough. But oh my gosh, look how this is coming out. Damn. Who needs some work done? Like, this shit looks so fucking legit. It ain't done yet though. It ain't done yet. I still got a few. I still gotta put the borders in right here. But this shit is looking real nice. Oh my gosh. The transformation of this thing is gonna look so fucking sick. Cannot wait. So all I'm using is just this little old ass wood finisher. That's it. And then basically just dip a little bit in there like that. And just start applying it. Oh shit, too much sawdust. That's okay. See, I'm gonna start brushing it like that. Just brush it in real good. Yeah, just like that. Shit looks fucking sick as fuck. Woo! Look at this, guys. Damn, son. That looks really good. And then I'm gonna get like a high, like glossy epoxy or something like that to put over it. That way it's like super, super shiny. That shit looks so fucking legit. Damn, it is really coming together. So now, put the border on. Just cut those pieces out real quick. And that is so far done. Damn, son. Woo-hoo-hoo. Tell me your boy ain't got some skill, though. Damn, cuz. I'm already been all kind of shit this year. Fuck it. Mr. Construction Worker, my ass. Damn.